Welcome to English Infinity Zone. Today, we share a magical story about time, choices, and the people we love. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. The Clock That Stopped Time. Leo was a curious boy who loved summer. Every year, he visited his grandpa Joe in the quiet village. One warm afternoon, while exploring the attic, Leo found an old, dusty clock. He ran to his grandpa and asked, "Grandpa, what is this?" Grandpa Joe smiled and said, "That clock has not ticked in 50 years. They say it can stop time." Leo did not believe it, but he loved fixing things. So, he cleaned the clock carefully, tightening each little gear. Then, suddenly, tick. Then again. And again. Time stopped. The wind stopped blowing. The birds froze in the sky. Even his dog Max stood still like a statue. Leo looked around in amazement and said, "It's real. Time stopped." At first, it was fun. He ate free ice cream. He rode his bike through empty roads. He jumped on fountains and climbed rooftops. But soon, it became quiet. Too quiet. There were no voices. No laughter. No grandpa. Leo sat alone and whispered, "I miss everything." Just then, a bright light appeared beside him. A glowing old man stood there and said, "I am the clockmaker. Do you want time to move again?" Leo looked up and nodded. "Yes. I miss everything." The clockmaker smiled gently. He said, "Time is not for control. It is for living." And with that, time began again. The birds flew. The wind blew. The world moved. Leo ran home as fast as he could. He hugged his grandpa tightly and said, "I fixed the clock."
Grandpa Joe smiled and whispered, "Nailed a clock fixed you. Time is a gift. We cannot stop it. But we can treasure it. Use your time to love, learn, and live." Thank you for watching English Infinity Zone. Like, share, and subscribe for more magical stories. See you next time.